What's up guys? Today we're going to do an unboxing video of an HJC half helmet. Already kind of opened the package here. Comes in a little nice box of its own. The CS2N half helmet. Go ahead and get this opened here. Designed and engineered by HJC. Sick. Warning tabs in different languages for your safety, blah 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 blah. Okay. The helmet itself. Oh, it comes in a nice HJC bag. Okay. Sweet. Let me get this out of here first. The nice padded neck collar. Owner's manual. Some screws for the visor. What else is in here? Boom. Half helmet doesn't look too bad. DOT approved, of course. Sick. Where's the visor at? Oh, it's in the bag as well. It's the visor. This is for the lady, not me, so had to get a medium. If it was for me, I'd have a large. Huh. But it doesn't look too bad. Nice and glossy. Sweet. Alright, thank you guys for watching and stay tuned for the next video.